walk behind it.
Yeah. How's he going to get around the corner, Ian? Oh, hey, we're talking about you.
Now I see it. Oh, you're pretty crafty. Come here.
Emmett just took his first steps.
I'm not going to take it away.
He's so tired, Ian.
Okay, look. He comes out here. Come on. Come on, then. How do you get this thing there?
Yeah, you got to take it out.
Mama, I can't see it.
But that's because you have to come over here. I'm trying to get your brother.
Mom, I can hold that phone.
No, I'm trying to get your brother.
I'm trying to get it.
Oh, that's too fast.
How's it slow down?
I don't know. I don't know how it slows down.
Dad, Mom, I can hold that. Please.
You want to hold it?
Yeah.
Emma.
Mom.
Avi, I'm trying to get this over Daddy here. Hi, bud. Hi, he likes to sit on one of them, huh?
You like it when it's closed up?
Yay! Here he comes! Oh no, Mommy's in the way!